Hey Ayla, are you petting the cat? Are you petting baby kitty? You like the cat. Oh, that's so sweet. He's a good cat. He's 17 years old. Don't hit him in the face. Yeah. He's a good little cat. Look at this baby kitty. He's an old man, aren't you, baby kitty? Ayla, can you smile? I'm gonna tickle you. I'm gonna tickle you. Will you smile? Ayla. Hi. Hi. I wish you would smile. You smile sometimes. Can you smile and laugh? Making baby sounds. Making baby sounds. The cat's purring. The cat's making cat sounds. You're making baby sounds. Hi. You're wearing a dress. Look, it's a skirt. That's your little skirt. Maybe your feetsies. Gonna pet the cat again? Rowan's over there being noisy. Do you hear him? He's in the other room. Yeah. Well, I guess you're not going to smile today. So maybe another day you'll smile. You just like to stick your tongue out. Alright. Goodbye.